But the issue with Callum Hudson Odoi you know, Nketia no. Look, example back no cite you.
And Kelvin.
Kelvin asem no yede. Okay. What you say? But Derek so earn to me deny the fact say Kelvin impact our 2010 World Cup can never be underestimated. After the World Cup, no, the attitude, and he gave a reason. It's just that you penny for your football anymore no cano iodine. He says at age 9, no, I said you best a 4 or 5 war. You go to be into playing on hard surface on to be impossible. That was a dear nan the chine. If penny in they were aware of Saudi way. But instead of somebody bold, no man can say, okay, boy, any problem near. Because the surgery is not here. It was on anti. So what's one will take Kelvin and tell?
Surgery, you go to jail on anti.
On anti side by side. It's a hard pitches, no. On to me, day and muscle ball. This is the problem, but we can also underscore say, Yenyan Faswa defi a year Hansedu Sapel. Yenyan Faswa edifi a year Quincy also be you. Yenyan Faswa de free
the call
Juku and net if you are captain, we put no cahuno. Samanyomuna. What I say? If you are saying so,
almost be because you are approach your mom also a 10 year down.
See. Oche omo amanfo ka omo ready to come and play for omo do super okay Patrick Fiver omo nyina ho a lot of players are omo nye omo nya ombede
omo doctor munyina
amuzu no ena ne kasa o kan wanye den wan kan ye what I say or say ni Ghana for contacting the agent say he's not ready what I say or no or train Belgium then Hudson Odoi there no. Hudson Odoi ball senior national team. Or body my England. You know what I say? And say Oba competitive gamer. What it means is say at that time na Osa. And the FIFA share say I just say some yes be better but to no dey na year I think 2022 and son and not obey mature to switch alaye way nationality. That time is 2022 ne World Cup no. Then after the World Cup, was say you make sure because player be no the document call FIFA say me the document but must association no any initiative and Callum Hudson Odoi came to Ghana and your passport you refiana or then anado Ghana passport. At no point no can say me Callum Hudson Odoi if Ghana frame me amenya day me memorable. So utie can promise asema okanya. Or see he was waiting for call up. But nobody called him. And we cannot also deny say at that time too now he was struggling. Not Chelsea will be more. Chelsea mani Cologne will buy Leverkusen. Oko on amfa. Oba na Chelsea 200 the man not here for a 3.something million or so. Very cheap. Oko in the first half. Also this year so first half and go ye. First season started like beginning of the season. Who's na enkoye. I think was started already or picky. It's all this one. He was waiting for our call. We didn't call him. So it's a one friend. I was expecting to one kasa the bag and fambrana. Then Nketia. Ono the onya England call up. Satan no was no. Almost friend. And as a job for beside say, Yatesa Ghana for so then Apple no say it was an easy decision because he's been part of England almost academy like youth system no. And he say Ghana then Ghana approaching no, but England a friend now. It was an easy decision. He never disrespected us. What I say? And on some friend man here then o mama na mubi. And I say see an aba clear say and like we say o me then obenya call up biem. So if you say omo bomba be create confusion be na be create. And they tell him I say Kudus mu will see Callum Hudson Odoi and say they don't have quality to come and play for Ghana. And they are not coming to play for the World Cup. They are coming to play for Ghana. The World Cup, the next match, and every match, Biana, Yebe from, they will come and play. We shouldn't make it seem as if, say, matches be no movie because the Nketia there, and I will say a problem we win every moment. Or my bamuni now. Obianwa what shows attitude, no. Only one player out of about best 50 to 60 players are young woman Ghana higher from Momba boy and national team. Or to other Nankasa. If Germany in the buy. Oba boy, no. Oja team to war. He continue playing for us to say, Edu baby, I am friend on retire. You cannot use one player attitude you are better than and no crown on my medical reasons. What I say? Okay. It's immediate. They will not bring any confusion. They are rather coming to improve our team. And like I said, Osha form your money now pick here. Also money now started. Money now started goes. Form your ma picky. Omo pick here could do match. Na say oh from na say omo ka say ne oh from match amo ma bebo international friendly game I need Germany kwakọ. Omo ka so mo mebo. Ni ehun say now no ya frem na manya de mamba. But ni nyina mu no say everyone na from mama mebo a many problem because me matiti hu bi. Say sa local players e di on kwa for FIFA sika no. Ebi mpese om de connection. Yes. Say as on say a free ban ene we munya we no. Ene e be petim bi two players ya wa den. Columbus or the Mongal out ye pet to be the ashim to omukwa. Ahi bi o menya bi ane ye ba underground na ya fetch ro na ya den. Ya che because is a minister cry twitwa appearance fee no. Omo mo tita achire no. We yi omo nyina afrim say they will just omo pe package bi no mo dey am omo nti. That is where omo person me connection. But look, say all the figures here the two are Kofi. See your boy homo den pa Ghana minim ni pa na Columbus no do katimi ho. Nketia katim kudus sama nyomo
e be kwa kwajiana
ye kwa kwaji kra na ye be koyanim Kofi ye be koyanim ye to be ballroom quarter final ni ada ye be to match 2010 squad no
na ntwe e bo World Cup ni wi ase na afro
Kofi it's not about say ye ntwe na e bo World Cup ni wi a e ye form na omu class si ano e na ye den
omo meka ho mebo
ye omo meka ho no meboa omo wi a ye wi a be bo AFCON qualifiers omo be bo. Now they are Ghanaians. Columbus Road okra Ghanaian passport. Obeba to us about bebo.
Okay.
It my close door on players on baby improve your team no because our space you know. Our space never about the cow no. Me see bi mu so mo de be connection.
Me dan say connection.